Pang goodbye question na lang. Kasi,
Goodbye!
no, Encantadia, kasi i-reprise siya next year. What is your input about it? Like, are you looking forward and
Of
everything?
course, I'm excited for them. Sabi ko nga like, I'm sorry but I can't fully support it because I'm already with Channel 2 and I have to respect my home network. But syempre, hindi din naman pwedeng ialis sa akin ang home network ko ngayon. Yung aking yung affinity ko at saka yung connection to the project and to the people behind it because it really catapulted me to a certain level of my career at that time. It's really, for me, one of the best shows, if not the best TV show that I've ever done. And the character na talagang until now, bago pa i-announce itong remake, talagang lagi akong meron, tinatag ako lagi. Ganon. Ngayon lang, parang syempre may sensitivities yan like, as much as I wanna post like photos of Amihan all the time, like, where do I draw the line?
Yes.
But I'm very happy for them and I hope they find the rightful Sangres because sabi ko, sorry na lang, but they have big shoes to fill.
Yeah.
Not just mine.
Yes.
Ano na yung sunshine season? Ang sa yung Martin ulit. So, good luck to all of you aspiring Sangres. At sana mapanatili nila yung puso. Sorry. And good luck and congratulations to Direk Mark and to the team and Suzanne, everybody.
Ang demanding